Hello to everyone and welcome to RHS Wisley Garden. This is the last weekend of May and a lot of things going on around the garden. Just beautiful, lots of beautiful flowers around. The kitchen garden is very interesting. In the top hill we have Iris's exhibition. Also we have beautiful display of peonies and of course the main and very important news is we waited for very long period. We were very excited and finally Pete Udall garden is open. But should we look around just bit by bit? And first, of course, I want to show you this beautiful display of peonies. And these are very hard-working geese. I think it's very nice alternative to the lawnmower.
There's another color for you.
Rose of Delight is really delightful.
We're doing on Monday.
I don't mind.
Not out on Monday. There you go. There's little feet.
This is my favorite Primula candelabra. If you have damp, semi-shade place, this is, I would say, plant number one. It looks fantastic. It's flowering after all another primulas and for very long period. It's got height and different very bright colors. and it's easy combine with another plants who likes semi-shade and shade damp condition. It could work for any style and size of the garden. And now we're on the trial ground, and I would like to show you these beautiful delphiniums. What a collection! And now we're moving toward World Kitchen Garden, and of course there are in our way many very pretty flowers and plants combination. This is just ideas for your own garden. Peony trees and alliums, one of the favorite combinations for me. We already on the World Kitchen Garden, and I want to draw your attention to the supports. So it's very environmental, it's cheap to make, it's not difficult to make, and works properly. So, and looks as well very interesting. And of course, don't forget about plants companions on your kitchen garden. Look at this calendula. It's not just very good for your veggies, for pollinators, it's also very pretty.
Смотрите, какая красота. Это всего лишь один.
At the background you can see kiosk. So in that kiosk you could buy just crop of the day. So you could choose everything very fresh and of course organic. You can see the garden just picked salads, full box, and was delivering in that kiosk. And now another beauties of the day, irises. So many different varieties, sizes, colors. Frankly saying, I feel myself like a child in the toy shop.
This one, how pretty. Well, they're all very pretty. This one just gorgeous.
The exhibition was already very exciting, and now, ta-da! The garden of Pete Udolf is open. Of course, the garden was just planted. It's not mature, but you already could see bones of prettiness. And I think already at the end of summer it will look absolutely stunning. You can see what different plants are planted in quite big blocks, and of course a lot of mulch on the surface. So the idea is that when the plants will be established, the whole garden will look after itself. Also, I very like these chunky benches. They suit the garden. And also they are quite comfortable. I tried. We've started our walk from the greenhouse side, and now we're walking toward viewing platform or viewing hill, and you will see everything from above. Altogether, more than 40,000 plants were planted in this garden. Can you imagine? From the viewing point, we notice something very, very pretty. Another side of the hill, beautiful meadows. And this will be cherry on the cake of our walk. And here, in between beautiful wild flowers, I would like to say you thank you very much for walking with us. I hope see you soon for many more beautiful walks and stunning gardens. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, put your thumb up, it's very important for our channel, and leave your comment. So, have a nice day and see you soon. Goodbye.